Hey guys, hello and welcome to a new video of STG Hackers. Guys, today's video is going to be amazing, as in today's video we are going to talk about a new technology called LiFi. In this video we will see what is LiFi and how does LiFi work. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. So guys, Li-Fi is a wireless technology connecting us to the internet, which holds the key to solving challenges faced by 5G. Li-Fi is similar to Wi-Fi as both transmit data electromagnetically. However, Wi-Fi uses radio waves, whereas Li-Fi uses visible light to transmit high-speed data that can reach multiple gigabytes. Li-Fi is more reliable, virtually interference free, and uniquely more secure than radio technology, such as Wi Fi or cellular data. Current Wi Fi technology already uses light traveling along fiber optics cable, yet the last few meters of wireless network connectivity into our home or office are still primary delivered via radio waves. As more and more devices connect to the internet, the space for radio frequencies is becoming oversaturated. This is known as spectrum crunch. In the near future, there may not be enough wireless bandwidth to support growing consumer demand. By using light for these last few meters of connectivity, Li-Fi opens up 1,000 times more bandwidth than using radio waves alone. So guys, now here the question arises that how does Li-Fi work? A Li-Fi network uses the light from LED lamps to send data to a device such as laptop or tablet. The device has a receiver to pick up light signals and a transmitter to send light signal back to the lamp using infrared light. The light from the LED lamps change intensity billions of times a second faster than the eye can see. The change in intensity becomes a digital signal which can carry information from the internet to a user and back again. Multiple light can be added to a single network so that you can move around from light to light without losing your connection. You don't have to be directly under a lamp to use Li-Fi. The digital signal is also carried by light reflected off walls and other surfaces. A Li-Fi network still needs a regular internet service provider to supply internet to a home or office via wires. Li-Fi can then be deployed within a home or office to provide a wireless internet connection to devices.